guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm joined by Teddy Tortoise09, which is my sister, so go and check out her YouTube channel, lover07, link will be in description. And yeah, so before we even start this video, make sure to like and, I messed that up, okay. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and do the same for Animal Lover or Teddy Tortoise09. So today we're playing Jailbreak. So yeah, Teddy Tortoise, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
So there's new things added. So we're just gonna be opening this. Let's just see what we got. What is it there? Okay. Donut skin. Yay! Okay. That was a legendary, guys.
I got yellow.
Wait, let's see what Caitlin got. Yellow window colour. Yeah. So we're gonna try and do some bank robberies. So yeah, guys, I just got a legendary out of a common crate. So yay to me. Okay, let's go and check it out. So we need to go and escape this prison. So where should we go to first?
Well, we've got to try and escape.
Hang on, come here closer. Okay, there we go. So you can hear her better, guys. Cause
Right, so I think we need to bang this.
Speak louder. They can't hear you, I don't think.
And we want to open it.
Okay, so no, you go near it. Okay, I'll do it because she's playing on my iPad.
Yeah.
Go,
Push me out the way. Watch.
Okay, just go and hit the things again before I get arrested by a cop.
That is just absolutely fun. Can you tell me when it opens?
Go.
Okay, phew. That was harsh.
Okay, so she made it through. Okay. So if you want to play with me, guys, leave your name in the... Oh no, I don't want to die. I died. I was trying to get over that. I should have went the other way. Okay, so let me just quickly escape. It shouldn't be that long. So I'll drive you. Got to go this way, Kate. Got to go this way.
Where? But I just want to drive through.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the police station. I said that, so we're gonna go to the police station.
I'm really annoying. I haven't got out yet.
Did I just say police station? Oh, I thought it sounded like I said police station. Are you coming? No, Kate, you can't get out that way. You're gonna get out then. My car's out here.
We stay in the car. There's only two of us.
Yeah.
I might get arrested.
Go. No, just go through that tunnel. I don't think he'll arrest you.
This is great.
Okay, so she's all good.
I'll be back in my school. I can't believe I never did.
I'm gonna go and find a hiding spot because I'm gonna help Caitlin get out. Let's turn on the lights. So
I must say I am pretty rubbish at this game. Although for now I try.
Okay.
Right, I'm out.
Oh god.
I'll just play it casual.
Let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So let's try and get her away from this guy.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
Why is? Oh yeah, my sound's off. Hang on, guys. Let me just turn on my sound. If that's a bit too loud, we'll just speak up. So Kate, you have to speak up a bit.
Alright. It shouldn't be
So make sure you go and check out Itz.Creepy's channel, Animal Lover.
There's a piece right there.
Okay, so we'll just leave her to it, and
I don't think it's
so let's actually just go and customize our car. So last video I made a complaint to YouTube because if they don't how should we play it? If they don't stop it, I probably won't be able to do YouTube. So now I'm just gonna cut the video until we finish our upgrade. So I'll replay the video, and I'll so from that moment I managed to cut myself. So well done to me, and yeah. So I will try not to cut myself this time. Well, no, not on like bleeding. I mean like I cut the video by accident because I was meant to. So yeah, I'll be right back when I finish this car. So there we go, guys. I have made the car into like a donut skin. So Caitlin has escaped. So Caitlin's has now escaped.
I'm just like trying to wait for it.
So we just got our paycheck, just £50. Yay! Why will criminals pay £50? Okay, so where are you? Okay. Let's do some drifts. Okay.
If we had to go
Criminal. Let's actually just go and pick up the AK-47s and a donut. So let's head over there. Go and get the gun. I'm back out in the car. Go in there then. Oh god, I heard something. Get in there, go. You're in the car then. No, I mean, okay, don't worry. Let's go and get a donut, guys. Let's get a donut. You just have to walk in and you'll get a donut instantly.
really does work.
I'm actually just going to eat my donut because I am hungry. Okay, there we go. Yeah, guys, that's a donut shop. There we go. No, I don't. Oh! They had added one here. Okay. So yeah, guys, you can now customize helicopters. I know how to get a helicopter as well, so we're going to do that in a minute. So don't get out the car, as he's open. Go. let's get this.
Let's just get it.
Okay, let's go. There's actually a motorcycle there. Let's see how much it is. 35,000. Okay. Now let's actually try and get a donut. Oh no, not donut. A helicopter. All donuts. Wait, does this make sense now? Okay. Don't spam in the comment section saying, "Oh, you can't even speak." I can speak. I speak English. There you go. Okay, I'm only playing around with you guys. But I can speak, okay? Okay, I'm all donutted out. Okay. That's what I wanted to say, because I'm all donutted out. Huh.
Donut.
You gotta speak louder, please.
You have donut in your hand, you have donut in your car, and on your car.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Oh look, there's a helicopter. So guys, if you want to go and get a helicopter, all you have to do is literally drive on this bit here. Get your car to go. No. Okay. Fail.
That's not easy.
Don't do that yet. Redo it. So you get the idea, you basically drive off. Oh no, I went the wrong way as well, aren't I? Oh! Secret door? Let's see where this goes. Rent this apartment. Oh god, because there's apartments in there. Run. Yeah guys, I can remember when there was apartments.
Nice music.
I hope that's not copyright. I think we can actually just go and rob this. I'm gonna rob it. Okay. Oh no, I got arrested. Oh, I got arrested. And I'm not in my uniform as well, so yay. Because that stupid uniform.
Right, now I'm just stuck there.
You can drive it. Drive.
I'm a very bad driver. But hopefully when I'm older I'll get.
Oh, let's be a cop actually.
You're the cop.
Yeah, why not? I'm gonna be a cop, guys.
Right,
and I spawned out here, so I'll be able to get a helicopter as well.
Yeah, help me escape.
Helicopter!
Oh, should I be
Let's go. Oh yeah, guys, you can now shoot down helicopters. Well, yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
No, because then I can die, can I?
Oh yeah, but it's okay because it's one, two.
Guys. Look, guys. If I look at these apartments.
It's good because also you can buy.
So if that look in front of you looks like if you can tell if it's a police car, I mean a helicopter, by the like propellers or something like that.
Can you come save me?
Yes. There we go, donut skin, guys. That music is actually good. I swear it's gonna be copyright.
I think and buy one of the steam shops. house is short.
Look above you.
I don't want to die. How do you own these?
Where are you? Oh wow, you're wait, what? Look. You're all the way at the bank.
Oh, it's back.
Oh guys, I thought she was here. Okay, look back, I'm over you. Okay.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Get out the car then.
And got lag. Right, now I'm on top of a rebuild. This is just total lag.
What? Oh, that's actually good then. Because now they can't shoot me down.
Hold it up there. This
Where?
strangely enough, I haven't died.
I'm actually just gonna step here.
Which normally, Archie's like,
Yeah, but I actually go for stuff. You don't. Okay, I'm actually just gonna shoot people.
yeah, I just want
Climb out there. Look at. You had to do that, didn't you? I said, don't. I said, get out carefully. And I just made the helicopter fall all the way down here. That's why you're a savage. Do you want to pickpocket me? Okay, Kate gonna pickpocket me, okay, guys?
So basically, that means Marge says
Key card. Are you still in this building? Yes. There.
on the least.
Okay. Pickpocket me. Okay, there you go, guys.
But he still has the key. And
Yeah.
And I have the.
Because now I'm just gonna arrest you because that's called stealing. And if you steal, yeah, I know. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and so thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and
also subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to Animal Lover07.
And also, right, sorry for your loss, for letting him kill me.
Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's